Hi there, it's Allison Shaw, and I want to tell you about some of the success stories that I came across while learning about Giovanni Dienstmann's meditation courses. Stick around to the end of this short video, and I'll tell you how to get Giovanni's free introductory courses. In a world often characterized by noise and chaos, finding a pathway to inner peace and clarity can feel like an insurmountable challenge. Yet, within the realm of meditation lies a profound opportunity for transformation. Giovanni, a beacon of wisdom in the field of meditation, has crafted a course that not only guides individuals through the intricacies of mindfulness, but also catalyzes profound personal growth and self-discovery. Chantel, a seasoned practitioner, enthusiastically shares, "Giovanni's course is put together so well. Better than any other meditation course or holistic seminar I've done so far." This sentiment speaks volumes about the quality and efficacy of Giovanni's teachings. His ability to distill complex concepts into accessible practices sets his course apart, making it a beacon of light for those navigating the path of meditation. His book is just phenomenal, Chantel continues. "I've read a number of meditation books as I've been meditating for several years, but practical meditation is absolutely the number one for me." Giovanni's book serves as a companion on the journey, offering invaluable insights and practical guidance that resonate deeply with practitioners of all levels. Luca, another grateful participant, reflects on his transformative journey with Giovanni's course. "Giovanni's meditation course helped me learn to forgive myself and accept my limitations. I also learned to have some compassion for myself and others." Luca's testimonial underscores the profound impact of Giovanni's teachings, which extend far beyond the realm of meditation, permeating every aspect of one's life with compassion and understanding. "I would recommend this course to anyone who needs a more structured and systematic and methodical approach to meditation," Luca adds. This endorsement speaks to the accessibility and inclusivity of Giovanni's teachings, making meditation accessible to individuals of all backgrounds and experiences. For Liz, discovering Giovanni's courses marked a pivotal moment in her journey towards inner peace and fulfillment. "Discovering Giovanni's exceptional courses has been a game changer for me. By far, one of the most important milestones in my life." Liz's words encapsulate the profound impact of Giovanni's teachings, which have the power to catalyze profound shifts in one's perception and experience of life. "He really helped me experience the most extraordinary feelings of joy and bring a sense of calmness to those around me," Liz continues. "This was powerful and transformational." Liz's testimonial serves as a testament to the ripple effect of inner peace. As we cultivate harmony within ourselves, we become agents of positive change in the world around us. In conclusion, Giovanni's meditation course stands as a beacon of hope and transformation in a world hungry for peace and clarity. Through his expert guidance and profound wisdom, Giovanni empowers individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner healing. As testimonials from Chantel, Luca, Liz, and countless others attest, Giovanni's teachings have the power to unlock the gates to inner peace and profound personal growth. If you'd like to achieve similar results in your own life, I urge you to click on the link in the description box below and get the free introductory course. This course is the beginning to a new life free from stress and anxiety. While your focus is down there, help spread the word by giving us a like and a subscribe, and thanks for your time.